Looking for handy little keyboard shortcuts to alleviate and improve your YouTube viewing? Well, you've come to the right place. These shortcuts can save countless seconds and save a heck of a lot of hassle. I'm going to use one of my previous videos to demo this. Most of us might already know the basic shortcuts you can use on YouTube. The spacebar pauses and resumes videos, while the left arrow moves backwards and the right arrow moves forwards in videos. Similarly, the up arrow increases the volume while the down arrow decreases the volume. However, you might have noticed that this doesn't work all the time if the focus isn't on the video section of the screen, so click outside the video. And now if you press the spacebar, the browser just pages down. Again, if you manually adjust the volume and then use the left and right arrow keys, instead of rewinding and forwarding, the volume actually decreases or increases accordingly. So the following shortcuts which I'm about to show aren't affected by where on the screen the mouse focus is for the most part. So J lets you step backwards in increments of 10 seconds, while L steps forwards in increments of 10 seconds. You can use K to pause and unpause the video, and while paused, the comma key lets you step backward through the video, and the period key lets you step forward through the video incrementally. Now going back to play, if you press Shift plus the period button, you can increase the speed of the video, while Shift plus comma decreases the speed of the video. M mutes or unmutes the audio, while F lets you toggle full screen on or off. You can turn captions on or off using the C key. And finally, to quickly search YouTube for more videos, you can just hit the / key and search away to your heart's content. That's it for now. If you found this useful, please hit like, subscribe, and if feeling extra generous, please share and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.